This 2017 Winnebago Via 25T is a Class A RV. It is located in Forest City, Iowa 50436 and is offered for sale by Lichtsinn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features a Aero with High Gloss Marbella Cabinets interior, sleeps 4, Slideout, and 34 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features rear bedroom. This 2017 Winnebago Via 25T is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.